Welcome to Just the Tip, music technology tutorials without any superfluous jibber-jabber. My name is Michael, also known as MSLD, MSLD. Pronounce it how you like. Today's query comes from Anthony. He says, what's a simple user-free reverb delay system to add to your vocal track that's very simple to use and just gives you a little bit of effect on your voice? Logic Pro seems to have these effects that have lines up and down. I'd like something where you turn a knob, adds a little bit. Done. Thanks. Well, Anthony, you're in luck because there is a solution and it's actually built right into Logic Pro. It's called Sends. Here we have a vocal track. As you can see, the vocal is tracking. We're going to use Sends to add reverb and delay to this track. This operation is very simple and requires only a small click. On the inspector, we go to Sends, select Bus for this track, and then let's go with Bus 1. Now we have a send channel. Let's go with Space Designer. This is the Logic Pro stock convolution reverb. Yes, there are lines, but don't be afraid of the lines. Since this is a send, we already have the dry signal on the vocal channel, so we need to keep the dry muted. We leave the wet as it is, and if we turn up the send amount right here, it's going to send more of the vocal into the reverb. Fascinating. Let's keep it down there. Now we're going to add another bus. On bus 2, we're going to do the same process, but add delay. Once again, the output mix is full wet, that's 100%, so we're all set. And if we turn up the amount, we're going to get some echoes. Using this system, you have precision control of reverb and delay amounts. And there you have it, just the tip. Now follow me for more.